Anyways, guys, just a little bench test for this amplifier. So I'm gonna let you guys see that it's working before I do what I'm doing. Let me take this audio. I'm not gonna play any audio, guys, to do the bench test. I'm gonna just put my hand on it just to let you hear the audio, the tone. So just to let you know it's working and everything's okay. So what I'm going to do now, let me do this first. Alright, so turn this right here. I want you guys to see the indicator light right here. That it comes on. As you guys can see. And you heard that? That means the amplifier is up and working, guys. Just like that. Nice. So give you some audio, guys. So see? Guys, see what's going on here? Where's the speakers? Using my hand. Heard that, guys? So what I do, I just, if you have a earphone, you lay it perfectly, but it's guys, so that should be enough. And please, guys, don't ever do what I'm doing. See, you could put your hand on the MOSFET back here. Let me, MOSFETs, no shock, nothing, guys. Yes, you know, yeah, that one shocks just now. But no heat. What I really want to say, no heat. Understand? To these MOSFETs. So these MOSFETs are really good. These quality is really good. They surprised me. Yeah, I thought they would have a little heat to them, but they no heat at all. Even though I played like that, I played earlier, you know, but nothing. But you know, it's good. See, up and running. And these guys didn't come with the LED, the blue LED. I replaced it just now. Because I like when I'm working, you know, the amplifier is long, so it's not that short. So you know, sometimes I don't see it, so I want to see the indicator light. So I'm going to put something in front of to know if it pours on or not. When I should turn it off, it's in protection mode. So I always put the blue LED so it's more visible than the green one. The green one will lead up and you don't even know, you know. So you know, the blue LED is more visible, so I always replace the blue LED. With a lot of customers, they love it. You know, guys, I never find somebody who say, hey, they don't like the blue LED car. A lot of time when they hook it up in the trunk, they want to know when the amplifier going to protection mode or if it's on. So they always tell me, hey, you know what I can do to let them know, you know? And they always install the blue LED, yeah, for them. So that's what I do with this amplifier. I install the blue LED. If somebody, I don't know if everybody like it, but you know, I never have a problem with none of my customers who request it, and sometimes I just put it in and they realize and they say, oh man, I didn't know you could do that. And I say, yeah, that's simple. It's not that hard, you know. I have to make some little modification to the little slot it goes into, yeah. But that's not a big deal, you know, and I replace it. And guys, remember this year, which is the 13 and 14 pin, if ever you're installing one of these and you see the trace go off the circuit, like when you're heating up, don't worry about that. The 13 and 14 on this, there's no connection. There's nothing connected to them on these driver IC. 13 and 14, no connection. So, you know, that's the IRS 21844 for these. Yeah, which they scratch off and, yeah, but we figure it out. So, you know, it goes already, guys. That's what we do, you know. We have to, you know, engineer it somehow, you know. So, to figure out what goes where. Which I'm really, I wouldn't say good at, but I do my best. Most of what I learn, guys, is like stuff like that. Put a IC that work, like I see on another board, I say, you know, this one was on this circuit board, it was scratch off, and I would put it there to know what works and what doesn't work. A lot of that is what I do, guys. So a lot of times, just see me not using the scope. I'm not up. With the scope, I'm not used to using this. I'm used to like what I'm doing now. That's how I used to doing stuff. So a lot of stuff I figure out, and I can know when something's not working. I can know what's not working without even using a scope or, you know, stuff like that. Which yeah, that's how I normally learn. Where I'm in Jamaica, because we never could afford the scope where I'm from. You understand? That thing was too damn expensive. You understand? So now I'm going to yeah, definitely have a scope, and I'm going to start, practicing using it. But for now, which I have a full-time job, a lot of stuff I don't, I have to babysit during the day, it goes, guys, when you have stuff like that going on. So repair what I do, so a lot of stuff I do, I just do it like the way I know how to do it. I don't put no other stress to it. I just try to repair stuff like, oh, I know how to do it, and then, so some people might say, oh, you're not using scope, you're not this and you're not that. Oh, no, I do it my way, the way I know how, and the way I know it works, and it works perfectly for me for now, for a long time now, which I don't have no problem with returns and stuff like that. Yeah, get Amplifier return, but not that. Like, I could count on one hand much sometimes, and I could tell him what's wrong sometimes. Why that happened and stuff like that. But, otherwise everything is good, and working fine with this amplifier. So, when I put it in the chassis now and stuff like that, and, and then, yep. That's it from there. And these caps, guys, let me tell you, these are says 100 volts, and microfarad are UF. Some people would say is 1500 for these caps right here. Yeah. And the output transistors are FDA24N40F. Okay, guys, FDA24N40F. And the power supply MOSFET, I think, is the regular, let me go again, guys. It's the IRFP064N. IRFP064N for the power supply MOSFET. And that's about it, guys, And honestly, guys, I didn't have to replace this TL494. No, didn't replace it, This TL494 was okay, But this driver board, I have to replace the two driver chip on the circuit boards, and I said, guys, 13 and 14 pin, and these driver IC, they're non-connection. Okay, so don't worry if you try to clean the board and you see they come off the board. So yeah, non-connection. As you could hear, I played just now and everything's okay, And if I do put it in chassis and I have a video, I'll just give a bonus video up, but everything is okay for now. And as I said, let me check these caps here. The power supply are the 1200 UFR, 1200 microfarad, 35 volts. Okay, guys, these right here, these caps right here. So yeah, so that's about it, guys. And these each resistor, some people say I call them power resistor, is 5 watt 10k, 5 watt 10k. They have some here which is let me see if I can tell you the value on these one. 5 watt 2.2k ohms. 5 watt 2.2k ohms, these guys. And these here is 160 volts, 680 microfarad and 680 UF. These caps right here. And that's about it, guys. It's nice little amplifier, nice little setup, Korean setup. I like the circuit board, guys. Believe me, I like it. These are seated down really. You can't even shake them. Believe me. And these are right here in the power supply. You have a power resistor or a heat resistor, some people call it. This one's 5 watt 2.2k ohms anyway. Same way. Yep. And that's basically it, guys, Nothing too serious, Yep. So, and these two resistors here, if you have any and they go bad, these are the 4.7 ohms. If I'm not wrong. 47 ohms, guys. Yeah, these are 47 ohms. That's yellow, violet, black, 47 ohms. These two resistors right here. Yep. And they have these one right here. We have 4 of them. You see, these are the 250 volts, 22 microfarad, or 22 UF, whichever way you guys want to read it. But that's basically it. And yes, guys, this is the final video of this amplifier. Everything is up and running, and That's it. I like you guys, and I thank you guys for watching my videos. Guys, really appreciate it. And guys, just now let me show you a little trick that I do. When I clean the board with the alcohol, it left some little white residue, like when it's drying and stuff like that. Mostly it does that when the time is cold and stuff like that. Yeah. What I do, I spray a little WD-40 on the circuit board, not a much, and I use the brush. I go around it so it left a clean like this. The circuit board is really left it really clean, so you don't see that white residue on it. So that's my little trick, guys. I want to share with you guys. So yeah, that's what I do. It won't cause anything, guys. Clean, nothing, won't do any damage, stuff like that. So for now, I'm gonna install this in the chassis, and go on from there, guys. So now that's it for this video, guys. Please like, subscribe if you like what you see. This DC audio 3.5K. Yes, guys, and Carty&Carty, guys, out for now. Okay, all right.